Learn with Jingle Kids.
Hello friends, welcome to Jingle Kids India. Today we are learning about the alphabet H. So let's start. H is for hello. Will you say this with me? H is for hello. H for hello. H is for hat. Come on, join me. H for hat. H for hat. H is for hen. Let's say this together. H for hen. H for hen. H for horse. Come on, let's say this together. H for horse. H for horse. H is for hair. Let's say this together. H for hair. H for hair. H for honey. Will you join me? H for honey. H for honey. H for home. Shall we say this together? H for home. H for home. H is for hill. Come on, join me. H for hill. H for hill. H is for hot. Let's say this together one more time. H for hot. H for hot. H is for help. Let's say this together. H for help. H for help. H is for honk. Will you join me? H for honk. H for honk. H is for hands. Come on, let's say this together one more time. H for hands. H for hands. Well done, friends. H is for horse, going clip clop clap, trotting up high to the hilltop map. H is for hill, rising steep and high, reaching all the way up to the sky. H is for hot, like the summer sun, shining down bright on everyone. H is for home, where we rest our feet, cozy and warm and extra sweet. H, 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 it's easy to say. H, 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 that's the way. H, 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 come on, let's play. Learning is fun on a sunny day.